Hi everybody, we finally got our Babygoal cloth diaper. This is the first time that we are purchasing this type of reusable diapers and we're very excited. Pretty much these diapers are one size that fit 0 to 2 years old babies or from 7 to 33 pounds. And they are adjustable, so you can use them on babies and toddlers, which is pretty nice. We ended up paying $60 for the 6 of them. Pretty much it will come up to $10 per diaper, but it's totally worth it because you can use them for a long time. And each of them comes with a microfiber insert. Now, checking the quality of these diapers, they look very nice. The outer layer is made of polyester and of course waterproof and breathable. These are fully machine washable. And the inserts are made of bamboo, which is more absorbent than cotton. Now, in the package, they give you a paper that shows you how to use it and how to wash it or take care of them. And pretty much one of the most important things that you have to do before putting this on your baby is to wash this diaper several times. This will enhance or improve the absorbency. And if the inserts are still not too absorbent, they recommend to boil them a little bit. Another recommendation is that the diaper covers and the inserts must be washed separately. Never use bleach and fabric softener, and of course dry them on medium heat or hang them to dry. By the way, you have this opening where you can place the bamboo insert. As I mentioned before, you can use these diapers on babies and toddlers, and I just want to show you the different sizes that you can create. It's amazing because you can adjust them in different ways. As well, it comes with this wet bag where obviously you can place your wet diapers and dirty diapers if you are outside of the house, if you're traveling or in the car. And this is everything for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!